precautions are not taken. Blowing and drifting snow will develop during Saturday afternoon. A winter
Stupid
storm
camera
warning
wouldn't
for snow
start.
means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website.
What the hell? Oh, Christ.
Winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. A winter following counties in Pennsylvania, Crawford, Erie, Ohio, and Erie Lakeshore, Erie, Huron, Richland, and Wayne. Midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tonight to 10 a.m. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 11 inches expected. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour. As high as 40 miles per hour. West Pennsylvania, Erie, Huron, Richland, Ashland, and Wayne counties. Tonight to 4 a.m. From midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Travel could be very difficult. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Blowing and drifting snow will develop during Saturday afternoon. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Will develop Saturday afternoon. Keep an extra winter storm warning for water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website. Food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation. At 11 a.m. Weather reports for At 11 a.m. Weather report.
Oh, Christ, we got it again. This is what I was looking for.
A winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford, Erie Inland, and Erie Lakeshore. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 11 inches expected. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northwest Pennsylvania and north central and northeast Ohio. When? From midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The heaviest snow will fall from late Saturday into Saturday evening. Lake effect snows will develop in the secondary snow belt Sunday morning and persist into Sunday night. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Blowing and drifting snow will develop Saturday afternoon. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. The extended forecast for north will develop during Saturday afternoon. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website.
Because there was 2 watches earlier. I might do it again. Yep.
Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Lorraine, Medina,
Oh, they must have played
Portage,
the one for
and
Aspen.
Trumbull in the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford, Erie Inland, and Erie Lakeshore. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 11 inches expected. Winds as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northwest Pennsylvania and central and northeast Ohio. When? From midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The heaviest snow will fall from late Saturday into Saturday evening. Lake effect snows will develop in the secondary snow belt Sunday morning and persist into Sunday night. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Blowing and drifting snow will develop Saturday afternoon. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website. The forecast for the following marine location: Lake Erie from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut, beyond 5 miles from shore.